Namaste everyone. In this session, I will be discussing on the MCQs of Indian history. So for today's session, it will be a complete modern Indian history's MCQ or spectrum. So let's get started. So first question is, whose nickname was Navigator? Navigator was a nickname of Navigator was a nickname of Prince Henry. So, second question, who gave the right to Prince Henry to navigate the sea to the distant shores of the Orient, more specifically as far as India? And the right was given to Prince Henry by Pope Nicholas, Pope Nicholas V. Next, Treaty of Tordesillas 1494 was between which two powers? It was between Portuguese, Portuguese and Spain. As per this treaty, they divided the non-Christian world between them by the imaginary line in Atlantic, which is west of the Cape Verde Island. So as per this treaty, the Portugal and Spain was divided the non-Christian world between them by an line in the Atlantic, which is to the west of Cape Verde Island. And as per this treaty, Portugal claimed everything to the east of that treaty, and Spain claimed everything to the east of that imaginary line. So next question, Vasco da Gama arrived India for the first time in 1498 at where, and name his pilot? Vasco da Gama arrived India with his 3 ships in 1498 and his pilot name is Gujarati pilot Abdul Majid. His pilot was Gujarati and his name is Abdul Majid. Next, which king accorded the friendly reception to Vasco da Gama? It was ruler of Calicut, whose name is Zamorin, who is also known as Samuthiri. So Zamorin, the ruler of Calicut, accorded friendly reception to Vasco da Gama. Next, who seized the number of Arab merchant ships anchored in the harbor and killed hundreds of their crew besides confiscating their cargo and burning the ships? It was done by Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Basically, what happened is there was an incident of conflict when the Portuguese factory at Calicut was attacked by locals, resulting in the death of several Portuguese. So for that only, Pedro Alvarez Cabral seized the number of Arab merchant ships and killed hundreds of crew, besides confiscating their cargo and burning the ships. Who bombarded the Calicut? It was also done by Pedro Alvarez Cabral for the incident that happened in Calicut factory of Portuguese, where number of several Portuguese were killed. For that reason, Alvarez Cabral bombarded the Calicut. Next question. Where Vasco da Gama set up first trading factory? Vasco da Gama set up first trading factory at Kannur. And gradually Calicut, Kannur and Cochin became the important center of trade of Portuguese. Next, in 1505, King of Portugal appointed whom as a governor in India for the first 3 years term? It was Francisco de Almeida. Francisco de Almeida, who raised the fleet in the Red Sea to stop the advance of Portuguese. It was done by Egyptians. Next, in 1507, naval battle of Diu, who was defeated? Naval battle was between Egyptian plus Gujarat navies against Portuguese, in which Portuguese defeated and son of Francisco de Almeida was killed, who wanted to make Portuguese the master of Indian Ocean. Francisco de Almeida wanted to make Portuguese the master of Indian Ocean. Next question. What was the other name of Cartesian system brought by Francisco de Almeida? It was famous system known as Blue Water Policy. Next, who succeeded Almeida as the Portuguese governor in India? Francisco de Almeida was succeeded by Alfonso de Albuquerque. Next question. Who was the real founder of Portuguese power in East? It was Alfonso de Albuquerque, who considered as the real founder of Portuguese power, who introduced the permit system for other ships and exercising control over major shipbuilding centers in Indian Ocean. Permit system was brought by Alfonso de Albuquerque. So Blue Water Policy was system brought by Francisco de Almeida and permit system brought by Alfonso de Albuquerque. Albuquerque acquired Goa from whom and in which year? In 1510, Albuquerque acquired Goa from Sultan of Bijapur. Next question. Abolition of sati is one of the feature of rule of which Portuguese ruler? Abolition of sati is a feature of Alfonso de Albuquerque rule. It was abolition of sati was a feature of rule of Alfonso de Albuquerque. Next question. Name the crops introduced by Portuguese in India. The crops like tobacco, cashew nut and coconut was introduced by Portuguese in India. Next question. In 1529, which Portuguese appointed as the governor of India? After Albuquerque de Almeida and after Alfonso de Albuquerque, the next governor of Portuguese in India is Nino da Cunha. Next, Nino da Cunha shifted Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa. He shifted the capital from Cochin to Goa. So last question for today's session is Bahadur Shah of Gujarat in his conflict with Mughal Emperor Humayun secured the help from Portuguese by ceding them which island? Besieging them which island? The island of Basin. Island of Basin in the year 1534. So this is all for today's session. If you like this session, then please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.